Are you interested to know more about our country, such as our diverse cultures and unique ethnic groups? Well, hi, I am Johanna Merigin, and I am here to give you more knowledge about their differences and keep asking you, where do you think you are belong? Each country is different from the rest of the world. But what is it really about the Philippines that make it stand out among others? For one thing, it's the Philippine culture. Filipinos are very resilient. They always help each other like bayanihan, respectful, value traditions and culture. Filipinos are Pacific Islanders, so it's not surprising to know that there are many ethnic groups in the Philippines that shape the culture and traditions of the country. From the largest group Tagalog to the minority groups, there's a lot to learn and be amazed about the different indigenous peoples of the Philippines. First, let's have in Luzon. As one of the major ethnic groups in the Philippines, the Tagalogs are believed to be the largest ethnic groups in the country. They have strong political influence. Tagalog is the mother tongue of the Filipinos and it was chosen as the basis of the national language, which is Filipino. Ilocano. The Ilocano people are believed to be the third largest ethno-linguistic group in the Philippines. They are known for being prudent and hardworking. This group ethnic in the Philippines continuously practices their old traditions to preserve their culture. Kapampangan. Kapampangan is a Luzon ethnic group that lives mostly in Pampanga and some part of Central Luzon. Dubbed as the culinary capital of the Philippines, Kapampangan takes pride in their sumptuous recipes and gives importance to strong ties of families. Next, the Bicolano. The Bicolano people are those who are living in the Bicol region. This Filipino ethnicity group is known for being religious and calm. They are also known for their distinct way of cooking where coconut milk is a must on Bicolano dishes. Also called as Ita. The Ita Filipino ethnicity is known to be one of the oldest ethnic in the Philippines. They live in the mountainous province of Zambales. Their way of living is simple and very traditional, especially when it comes to hunting for food. The Igorots are found in the Cordillera Administrative Region. This ethnic group in Cordillera made some of the Philippines' destinations popular, such as the Banawi Rice Terraces. They have strong beliefs in ethnic traditions in the Philippines and highly respect their anito. Of all the different ethnic groups in the Philippines, Mangyans are the ones found in the Mindoro provinces, which are divided into 8 groups. To this day, Mangyan is still practicing their old traditions and culture in the hopes of preserving them. One of their tradition is writing ambahan. Let's have in Visayas. Most of these people live in Cebu and some parts of Mindoro. They are known for being creative, soft-spoken, friendly, and calm. Cebuano also called Cebuan or Sugbuhanon, the second largest ethno-linguistic group in the Philippines. Waray. The Waray people or the Waray-Waray people, a large ethno-linguistic group of the Philippines living on Samar, Eastern Leyte, and Bilaran Islands. They are known for being brave and strong, yet very loving, especially when it comes to their own family. Ilonggo people, also called Hiligaynon people, the most notable ethnic group in the Philippines with description would have to be the Ilonggo people because when you hear Ilonggo, the best word that describes them is tender. They are sweet and soft-spoken. Ilonggos live in Iloilo, Panay, Ate. Ate is also one of the ethnic tribes in the Philippines that are very notable. This should not be confused with the Etas. While they look similar, they speak different languages. But like the Itas, hunting is a huge part of their way of living. They were mostly found in a clan and kapis. Suludnon, also known as the Panay Bukidnon or Pan-Ayanon. The Suludnon Filipino ethnicity is popular for their cultural dance Binanog where they copy the movements of the eagle while using the agong. This example ethnic group in the Philippines lives in Capiz, Lambanao. Let's move on in Mindanao. The Bajau tribe in the Philippines can be found in Zamboanga and Sulu where they live above the water. That is why they are called the sea nomads. The source of income of this ethno-linguistic group in Mindanao actually comes from the sea. That is why they are good swimmer. Maranao. Maranao means people of the lake. Maranao is derived from the phrase Lawa ng Lanao del Sur at Lanao del Norte, which means Lake of Lanao del Sur and Lanao del Norte. This Filipino ethnicity made the traditional clothing malong popular across the country. Tiboli. The Tiboli people is one of the ethno-linguistic groups in Mindanao that are very popular. They are an artistic and musical that stand out with their colorful beaded clothing and brass musical instruments. This Filipino ethnic group lives in South Cotabato and Sultan Kudarat. Lastly, the Tausug people. Tausug are famous for being the best pearl divers in the world. The Tausug people are one of the 5 ethnic groups in the Philippines that are very notable, known as the people of the current. Tausugs live above the Sea of Sulu with their floating houses. Out of all the ethnic groups that I discussed, we learned their differences from each other, their traditions and beliefs. But you know what we can realize? It's that even we're from different groups, but at the end of the day, we're still one, and that is being a Filipino.